So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add volume in your TradingView chart. So if you want to add volume, the first thing you need to do is take a look at your chart for beginning, or rather at the beginning. After that, you can see in the top part of the page, right here, you can click on here that says compare symbols, 1 day, candles, indicators, indicator templates, alert, replay, and undo changes. So on here, you can click on indicators, which could be indicators, strategies, profiles, and patterns. You can see technicals, fundamentals, editors, picks, top, trending, and your store. But in order to add on here, so you can see volume, net volume, and just volume. So if you want to add that, you can see the volume that's been added. So this is the volume that was right there. So if your volume isn't here, so you can see the volume of that changing depending where you place or where you hover the mouse. You can see the volume being changed, and if you hover over that, it indicates that volume is right there. So you may enjoy it being there. You can also hide it or expand it with different indicators that you can add in the top left corner of your chart. But that is how you add volume to your TradingView chart, by opening up indicators and adding it through there. And once it's added, it's going to help you out with seeing the volume within your chart. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.